Are you ready?
What do you think?
I didn't mean to say that. We are going to visit the Goenkas.
Yes, Dad. We are going to visit the Goenkas. We are going to the same house that had snatched everything from Payal. Her honor, respect, her innocence, her virtue, everything. We are going to the same house, Dad, where every bricks bears the testimony to their crime.
Dr. Dayal, you are embarrassing me. Of course, we will figure something out. In fact, I might have the perfect location for your cancer research hospital. Why don't we meet up? Oh no, you will visit our home. Give us a chance to entertain you. So you're coming. Bye-bye.
Please have a seat. I will show you my office. This is the site office where I, with my mom,
So tell me, Shaurya, do you work at all or not?
you're always complaining that this tourist guide does not do any work. So today I will show you what work this tourist guide does.
I wanted this. I wanted you to bring me here so that I can finish my unfinished works.
And this is my desk.
Well, I must say, you're a very good guide.
What do you mean?
I mean, though we are at office, but you are doing the same thing. Being a guide.
Durga, it is very difficult to impress you.
All right, Mr. Guide. I'll have to leave now. I've got a lot of work to do.
All right, as you wish. Come.
Wait, Mathur. It's just a matter of few days. And in this few days, you will turn into history.
Mr. Mathur, listen to me. Mr. Mathur, listen to me, please. Mr. Mathur, please, please. Mr. Mathur, please listen to me. Mr. Mathur, Mr. Mathur.
Naveen Mathur, you are so proud of your name. But nobody will take this name you're so proud of. I will make you shed tears of blood.
Somehow I have this feeling that this is all your ploy.
That's why I always tell you. Nobody understands me better than you. And I love you. Nothing can be better than sister-in-law Suchitra's land for Dr. Thakur's hospital. Her Arnab Goenka school only uses 1/10 of the land. The remaining land is empty.
Everyone should learn how to be a turncoat from you. I love you too, Raj. And also these moves of yours. Up until now, you were helping sister-in-law Suchitra to save the land. And now you are eyeing it.
I was always eyeing the land. And that is why I saved it. I don't know if I would be able to convince sister-in-law Suchitra to give me the land.
That's why I'm here, Raj. I'm your partner. Your partner in your life and in all your crimes too. Right?
Oh, come on. Shut up. As if I don't know you. Tonight? That's super cool. Perfect, Chitra. Perfect. Yes. Let's start tonight. I'll get my textbooks and workbook of sociology. Yes, we'll study together. Don't worry. Okay, see you. Bye.
Don't make any plans for dinner. We have guests coming over.
No, Mom, please. I don't want to attend your boring dinners. Today I have a study date with Chitra. She's completely dumb in socio. I need to make her study socio.
What kind of a language is this? You can say that she's weak.
Dad, please save me.
Don't worry, dear. You can go on your study date, okay? Have fun.
Love you.
Spoil your princess.
She's just a child.
She's a child? She's the only one in the house who's not in my control.
Come, Dad.
Are you ready?
What do you think?
I didn't mean to say that. We are going to visit the Goenkas.
Yes, Dad. We are going to visit the Goenkas. We are going to the same house that had snatched everything from Payal. Her honor, respect, her innocence, her virtue, everything. We are going to the same house, Dad, where every bricks bears the testimony to their crimes.
I know, dear. That's why I am scared that you might get emotional over there and...
No, Dad. If I'm not able to control my emotions, then I have no right to give Payal hope. I know, Dad. The war is very long. But I'm ready, Dad.
Raj,
Sister-in-law.
don't work so much. Just look at yourself. You got dark circles under your eyes.
Come. Sit with me. Come, please. Spend some time with me too. I won't discuss work with you at all, okay?
Sister-in-law? You're here. I just went to your room to check. Okay. Now please don't tell me that you are busy tonight.
Sakshi, when do I have any plans?
Good. We have invited Dr. Thakur and his daughter for dinner tonight. And do you know that Dr. Thakur is about to set up the biggest cancer foundation in India here in Kolkata?
He is doing a very good deed. And I really wish him all the luck.
Then I should give you another good news.
What?
Raj and I are joining his project.
Really? That's really very good. In fact, if I can be of any help to him, then please let me know.
Really, sister-in-law?
Yes.
Actually, we were looking for a piece of land for the Cancer Foundation. And obviously, such a big research hospital and Cancer Foundation should be centrally located, you know. So we were looking at your land for that, where you have this school on Brother Arnab's name. But please don't think at all that we are pressurizing you in any way. It was just a small idea in our minds that we shared with you. But you should surely attend the dinner and meet Dr. Thakur. You will like it. And if you find Dr. Thakur to be genuine, then you can think more about it.
Sakshi, you know me very well. If anyone wants to do good things for the society with a clear heart, I will never refuse.
I know. And please don't refuse for one more thing.
What now?
Someone from Das and Sons had come with new stock. I saw a Dhakai silk sari which I couldn't refuse. You know what? It would look good on no one but you. So I bought it for you. It's there in your room.
Sakshi, that's so much like you. Only you can jump for charity to fashion in a moment. I will come.
Thank you so much, sister-in-law. Thank you. Do you know, sister-in-law, that we like it when you are with us on any occasion. It feels very good. For those few moments, I feel that my brother is here with me.
I'll see you later.
For those few moments, I feel that my brother is here with me. Wow. Your line was wonderful, Rajnath.
I have learned this from you today. You act very well. For a moment, I felt that you were telling the truth.
I was telling the truth only.
This is it. Anyone can get trapped in your web.
Even you got trapped. You had to marry me.
You've hurt us a lot, Sahab. How long have you been working with us?
Art, sir.
And you didn't feel that you should have asked for my help? What's so bad if Payal wants to study in English medium school?
She's a driver's daughter, sir. She must have dreams according to her status.
You're Rajnath Goenka's driver. Payal will study in that school that she chooses to.
Sir, this is made for you.
You draw very well. Send her to drawing classes too.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry about the money.
Many, many thanks, sir. Sir, it's my daughter's future, sir. I beg of you. Please have mercy. Sir, please.
Oi! Leave his hand. Leave his hand.
I'm feeling suffocated, Dad.
But Durga, be careful. The wind outside is fierce.
What are these people doing?
They want to meet you.
Tell them, Mathur. I do not tolerate disloyal people. Now they are not even eligible for our charity. They should just disappear from here. They should leave right now.